Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So, I'm still in quarantine, but I figured like I would put some makeup on and film because I've literally just been sitting in quarantine for like 5 days now, 4 or 5 days now, and I'm just like I need to like put some makeup on, feel alive, like feel like this quarantine isn't like taking over my frigging life and just kind of get like into a routine. So, I've had this bag sitting underneath my vanity for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and it's another Empties bag. I have so many products in here to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested to see what products I've gone through, I feel like I just did one. I think I did one like 2, 3 months ago maybe. I'm not exactly sure. But I already like have filled up this entire Sephora bag, so I figured let me get rid of this garbage and do this video. So if you guys are interested to see what products I have gone through and if I would repurchase them, then subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into the video. So the first product that I went through is this Bioderma, this one. This is literally the only micellar water that I use. This is my favorite one. I get mine on Amazon all the time. I had this one for forever. Like I feel like I had it for a little bit over a year, but this is so much. This is 16.7 fluid ounces, so you really get a lot of it, and I think it's only like $16 or $17 on Amazon, so it's not bad. It's legit the only micellar water that doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't burn my eyes, doesn't break me out, so I continuously go back to it because it's just so good. One micellar water that I will not be repurchasing and that I will not even be finishing is this Sephora one. So this is from Sephora. This is actually from their clean Sephora line, which you guys know I love. So it's really weird that this didn't work for me. This is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water, Cleanse and Purify Face and Eye. So it's not necessarily a micellar water, but it kind of falls into that category of like a makeup remover water type thing. So I purchased it because, like I just said, I love everything from the clean Sephora line. So I thought I would really like this, and I think this was like $10 or $8, so it wasn't even that expensive, and I was like, let me give it a try. So this absolutely irritates my skin, breaks me out, and when I mean it burns my, it doesn't burn my eyes initially, but I noticed that whenever I would use it at night, I would wake up the next morning and my eyes would be so bloodshot and so irritated, and they would just hurt all day to the point where I'd have to squint because of how irritated they were. So this has just been sitting in my medicine chest, and I've just like have finally decided that it's just over, it's done with. Like I cannot use this at all. So yeah, I would not be repurchasing this, and I will definitely not be finishing it. It's going straight to the garbage. So some of these products are actually travel size, but that's because I just went to Florida. So not just went, but I went like a few months ago. So I was finishing up some travel size products that I bought. So those are in here. So the first one is, well, this I've actually had for a while. This is the Bioderma Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. This actually lasted me a long time. I have this like a little bit over a year, I feel like. This is a super moisture shampoo, no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens, and I love this shampoo. I will for sure be repurchasing it, but I just purchased a different shampoo, so I want to like try that one out and then I'll repurchase this. But I love this one, and even my sister, she used it when I was in Florida. And she was like, oh my god, my hair has never been so soft and has never looked so healthy. I'm like, it's the shampoo. I'm telling you, the shampoo is so freaking bomb, especially if you have like damaged hair. Like it really doesn't make your hair look too damaged. I went like this, like to show you guys, but I didn't even wash my hair with it. So, but yeah, no, this is really good. I bought this one, I think this travel size one, I think I bought at Sephora. I don't remember if I bought it off Bloomingdale's or at Sephora. I'm not exactly sure, but definitely check it out if you can definitely find the travel size one. Please check it out. It is so freaking amazing. All right, so another hair product that I actually got as a sample. I never actually purchased it. I got it as like a 500 point sample. This is the Way Treatment Mask. This is the Way, I guess, like conditioner repair mask type thing. And these two together are a match made in heaven. I do really enjoy the Don't Despair Repair hair mask. But this one, I don't know, I guess maybe because it was something new that I was trying, I freaking fell in love with it. It's so good, and my hair would look so healthy, and just like the split ends, like they wouldn't even look like they were even there. My hair would feel soft, but it wouldn't feel like too soft where like I couldn't style it or anything, but it was just so freaking amazing. I haven't purchased the full size of it yet. I don't know why. I've just been like putting it off, but I just said, I just purchased the other Redken shampoo, so that's why I haven't purchased this just yet, but I will for sure be repurchasing it soon in the future. So I highly, highly recommend this, and these two together are freaking amazing. Alright, so up next is a cleansing oil. This is actually from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the BFD, I guess. Well, I don't even know what that stands for, BFD, whatever. But this is their cleansing oil. I purchased this like 8-9 months ago, and I finished it like a few months back. I wasn't blown away by it. It didn't break me out or anything, and it didn't irritate my skin, which is good. But it also didn't do a great job at taking off my makeup. Like there would still be a decent, especially around my eyes, there would still be a decent amount of concealer and like mascara and stuff, and I would really have to go over it with Bioderma to remove whatever this didn't. So I mean, it wasn't horrible, but if you are somebody that wears a light makeup, then for sure. But if you're somebody like me that does like full glam and full makeup, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this. It didn't do a great job at removing my makeup, so yeah, it was good and I finished it, but I for sure will not be repurchasing it. I feel like I go through like at least 1 to 2 of these in every video. This is the Beauty Blender liquid soap. You guys know, if you've been watching these videos, that I love this soap. I use it to clean. I actually don't use the Beauty Blender anymore. I only use the e.l.f. sponge, and I use this every single night to clean my e.l.f. sponge or my Beauty Blender, or I'll even use it for some brushes from time to time, and it's just so good. It doesn't dry anything out. It really, really gets all of the foundation out, so you really see it in the sink just getting everything out, and it's just so freaking good, and it lasts me a long time. I always buy these sizes. This is a 3 ounce, and I think this is like $13, and it lasts me for like a month to month and a half, so frigging bomb. This product is super, super dirty because I've had it for so long. Well, not so long, but I used it so frigging much that it's literally empty. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. If you guys have been watching my channel for the past year, you guys know that this foundation, this and the Fenty one, were like my tried and true foundations. Like I frigging love them so much. I just ran out of this like a few weeks ago, and I was like trying to get every last bit of it out. It's just such a good foundation. It lasts so long. It makes your skin look beautiful. It doesn't really break up around my nose, and I love it because it has sunscreen. So even though like 99% of the time here in New York it's like cloudy because of the winter and stuff, but I definitely love this for the summer. Like if I want to go out or wherever, if I'm going to be outside for long periods of time, this is really, really good because it does come with SPF 25 in it. And I have worn this out like at night, and I've never seen flashback, so I don't think it's going to give crazy flashback. At least I've never experienced it, so that's another plus side of this. But I haven't repurchased it yet because I've been buying other foundations, but I will for sure be repurchasing this for the summertime because it's so freaking amazing. So up next is actually the eyeliner that I'm using right now on top of my eye, but it's not this one because this one has been finished forever. This is the Pat McGrath Labs. That's pretty much all it says. This is the Pat McGrath Labs liquid liner. This is what it looks like. This is my favorite black eyeliner ever. Like look at how black it is, and that's over powder and concealer. It's so good. It is a little bit runny, but not too runny. You just really have to be careful because if you press too hard, you will get a bunch of black all over your eye just because it'll like expand and whatever. But it's such a freaking good liner. It lasts all day. It doesn't flake off. It's super blacky. Even when I wear it over glitter and eyeshadow and stuff, it looks so freaking amazing. I recommend it to everybody. I think it's like $32, so it is a little bit expensive. I'm not exactly sure of the full price. I don't know if it's 24 or 32. 32 sounds a little bit more right to me, but I think the, what is it, the Kat Von D one is like 20 something dollars too, so whatever. But that lasted me almost a year. I think I got that last May or April, and I just recently purchased the new one like 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago, so it lasted me a really long time, and it didn't dry out either, which is amazing. So I definitely recommend that. It's so freaking good. Alright, so if you guys have been watching me for months, you guys know what my ride or die lipstick is. This is the Sephora lipstick in the shade number 7, Love. I literally finished the entire thing. Like there's nothing left in this. This is such an amazing color. I love super like nude lips, so I'm like totally okay with how nude this lip is. If you're somebody that doesn't love like a dead girl type of lip, then I wouldn't recommend this, but the formula is really nice. I don't necessarily think it's a matte formula, even though it claims to be matte. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's also not like a gloss type of finish. So it's definitely a comfortable lipstick. You can wear it by itself. You can wear it with lip liners, over liquid lipstick. Like, I wear it so many different ways. It's always in my makeup bag. It's always in my purse. It's the lipstick I put on every single day of my life. It's just my favorite one. So yeah, I finally finished my first one. But yeah, this is such an amazing lipstick, and it's only like $7. So if you're somebody that likes like a nude gray type of lip, definitely check this out. You will not be disappointed. Remember in my last Empties video, I said that I wouldn't repurchase this, and I wound up repurchasing it anyway, but I only repurchased it because I needed something to take my makeup off when I was in Florida. This is the Drunk Elephant butter, I don't even know what that says, makeup melting butter cleanser. This is what it looks like. I have the travel size of it, and I just purchased it again because I went to Florida. This is what the inside looks like. As you can see, it's totally empty, but for whatever reason, this time I wasn't disappointed in it. I think because when I originally purchased this, I purchased the big one, like the regular size one, and I didn't use it like every single night. And it started to like change color around the rim, and I think that's what kind of like grossed me out and what affected the formula. This one, since it was so small and I was able to finish it quicker than the other one, I didn't have that issue, and I think that's why. And it actually is a really, really nice makeup remover. It didn't give me any issues when I was in Florida, didn't give me any issues when I came back to New York, so it is a really nice one. I won't repurchase the full size one, but I will repurchase the little mini one, because you get this mini one and then you get another cream with it. I think it's like $20, and this lasted me like a whole like month and a half, so it was really, really good, really nice. Didn't irritate my skin, didn't break me out, didn't strip my skin, didn't do anything like that. It did a really good job at removing my makeup. So I will repurchase this, but I will repurchase this size of it. I feel like I'm almost done, but every time I look in this bag, I'm like, whoa, there's still more stuff. So the next thing is also, I think I'm just going to get all the travel size stuff out of the way. This is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I fell back in love with this when I went to Florida, because I purchased this for Florida because I was like, you know what, I need a texture spray, I need something, and mine that I had was so old, I think it was expired, so I purchased a brand new one, and it did such an amazing job in Florida. It wasn't that humid in Florida, but it was like a little bit humid, but my hair didn't get sticky, my hair didn't frizz, my hair stayed in place. I didn't have to use a ton of hairspray because that was the purpose of me purchasing this. I didn't want to have to rely on hairspray a lot. So I only did a little bit of hairspray, and then I would use this as well, and it just worked so good that I went out and I bought the full size one of it, and I have it in my little hair room where I do my hair. But it's so freaking bomb. I love this texture spray so much. It's so good. I highly recommend it. I think this is the last travel size product. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I purchased this, you know when you go into Sephora and there's like that little zigzag thing that you wait in to pay, like at the line, they have all like the little mini travel size stuff. I saw it there and I was like, you know what? I need to try a dry shampoo. I need to get back into dry shampoo. Like, let me pick this up. If I hate it, it's only $10, like who cares? So I picked it up, and when I was in Florida, I used it every single day, and my hair, even when it was dirty, it looked clean, and it didn't look like oily, and it didn't look like dry. It just looked so good, and it didn't leave a white cast in my hair, which is amazing because my hair is super thin. So for a dry shampoo not to leave a white cast in my hair, I was like, whoa, that is amazing. And even my sister used it, and she freaking loved it. So when I got home, I did go out and purchase the full-size one, just like I did with the Way Texture Spray, because of how amazing it is. And I still use it all the time because it's such a freaking bomb dry shampoo. Up next is another skincare item from the Clean Sephora line. This is the Sephora Firming Sleeping Cream. This is the packaging that it looks like, and you guys, I literally went through the entire thing. Like, I finished this thing and there was literally nothing left of it, and it's my favorite nighttime cream. It's legit one of the only nighttime creams that I use, and my skin just looks so plumped and so amazing in the morning, and it feels really nice on my skin. It's like a really nice thicker moisturizer. It's just so amazing. I love it so much. I put it all over my neck, I put it all over my skin, and when I apply it, I push up, of course, because you don't want to push down, because then that will defeat the purpose. But I already repurchased a full size of this because I was just like, I can't be without that. It's like my go-to nighttime cream, and without it I felt like my world was falling apart. That's really dramatic. No, but when I finally repurchased it and I was using it again, I was like, this is so freaking good. Like, I can't go. I think I went like a week without it. I was like, yeah, I'm good. I love it so much. I I cannot go that long without it again. Next, I feel like every time I do this video, I go through at least one of these. This is the Sephora Gel Cleanse Skin Gel Face Wash. I talked about it in the last Empties video. It's my favorite face wash. It's affordable. It's good. It doesn't strip your skin. I feel like it really, this is actually one of the only face washes I feel like really gets in there and really cleans out your skin, and it's just so freaking good. And I love the fact that it's $10. I think that's my favorite part about this product, that it's $10 frigging dollars. It's so amazing. I highly recommend it. If you guys need a good, affordable, clean skincare item, you don't want to break the bank, check this out because it's so freaking good. I did finish a full thing of the Kylie Translucent Setting Powder. This is my go-to setting powder. It's literally my favorite one of life. It's one of the only ones that I use. It makes my under eyes look so good. It's so freaking bomb. It doesn't give me flashback. It is a little bit expensive. I think it's like $24, and you only get 0.35 ounces, so you get like a little more than half an ounce. Oh, no, that's really bad math on my part. That's not, never mind. But you do get a decent amount in here, and I had this one for, I think almost, no, I had it for like 4 or 5 months, and it lasted me really long, so I love it so much. I used it every single day too. Like this for a while was literally the only setting powder that I was using. It's so good. I know a lot of people don't like Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm sorry, but her setting powder is frigging bomb. I always go through these in every single video. This time I went through 2 of them. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the shade Lace. It's the concealer I'm wearing right now, actually. I went through 2 of them. This is my favorite concealer of life. It is literally full coverage, hydrating, non-creasing. It's just frigging amazing and makes my under eyes look amazing all day long, whether I put it on at 8 in the morning and take it off at 11 o'clock at night, or only wear it for a few hours. It's my favorite concealer ever, and every time I do this video I go through so many of them. It's so freaking good. The 2 other products that every time I do this video I go through. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara, and then this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. He's so rude. He's just blow drying his hair in the middle of me filming my video. But anyways, I go through these every time I do this video. This is the mascaras that I have on my lashes right now. Every time I wear these, everybody always asks me, are those your real lashes? Are you wearing fake lashes? Are those your real lashes? These are such frigging good mascaras. They're literally my favorite ones. I feel like they're so underrated. I mean, this one isn't as much as this one is. This one I feel like nobody ever talks about, and I don't know why. It's such a frigging bomb mascara. But yeah, I go through these in every single video, so I don't want to friggin' sit here for 5 minutes to talk about them. But yeah, guys, so that is all of my Empties products that I have to share with you guys. I didn't think it was going to take me 20 minutes to do this video, but looking at this thing, I guess I had 20 minutes worth of stuff to talk about. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and definitely stay safe. Stay inside, guys. Do not go outside unless you have to. Seriously, it's getting crazy out there, so just stay in quarantine, watch YouTube, chill, Netflix and chill. Just stay at home with your family and bond. But yes, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!